there's dynamics, but in terms of the future, the three big ones are monitoring, electrification, and safety systems, and overall system evaluation. Electrification has lots of great capabilities, but one thing that electrification has a major problem with is really hard long-term duty cycle. I think you're going to see hydrogen cells, fuel cells really erupt in the next 10 years. In the end, it's all about trying to minimize the carbon footprint and also minimizing the need for diesel. But the power density of diesel is big, and the ability to run a machine 8-10 hours straight is big. That's a major problem for electrification.
Figuring out batteries, battery management, electric motors, if that's going to be driving a hydraulic pump, or if that's going to be driving electric linear actuators. Now it's going to be thinking about how are they using the product, how many hours per day, how long does it need to run for, those types of things, and the load, and adjusting and fine-tuning that software in order to minimize it. We never worried about our prime mover before because we just put more fuel in it and it kept going. Now we're going to have a limited amount of resources, so now it's going to be making everything more efficient, last longer, off of less power.
Without a doubt, innovation has created many opportunities for us as a company. It may be our unique innovation that we bring to a customer, or they may come to us, in many cases, they come to us with ideas of what they want their next greatest technology to be. They have an idea of the objective, but not necessarily the building blocks or the steps that it takes to get there. So we want to be active participants in that.